Have you ever wanted to clone your voice with AI so it talks like you even when you're not around? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do that using ElevenLabs. No tech skills needed. Just follow along. First, go to ElevenLabs.io. Click on Sign Up at the top right. You can sign up with your Google account or email. It's free to get started. Once you're in, click on Voice Lab from the left-hand menu. This is where the magic happens, where you can create and manage your AI voices. Inside the Voice Lab, click Create Voice, then choose Instant Voice Cloning. This option lets you upload a short recording of your voice, and it'll clone it almost instantly. You'll need to upload a voice recording. Here's what to do. Record yourself reading something for at least 1 minute, clearly and naturally. Save it as an MP3 or wavy file. Upload that file where it says Upload Samples. After uploading, give your cloned voice a name like My AI Voice, then hit Add Voice. ElevenLabs will process your file, and in a few seconds your voice is ready to use. Now go back to the home page and open the Speech Synthesis tab. Choose your cloned voice from the drop-down. Type any text you want and click Generate. You'll hear your voice, speaking words you've never actually said. That's it. You've officially cloned your voice. If this helped you, give it a like. And if you want more simple AI tutorials, hit that subscribe button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll help you out.